Summer is here and kids are home from school. Does that freak you out too? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I plan to create products, run $1 million organization, and be an awesome mom this summer. Are you ready? Hi you guys, my name is Denise Walsh and welcome back to my channel. Now, I have spent the last 20 years helping people design their dream life by reconnecting with what it is they want and then having the courage to go get it. I was a clinical psychologist turned entrepreneur. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite time hacking productivity skill that can really ensure that you get all the things done. Now, people tell me all the time that when they think of me, they think discipline. Discipline. Now, to me, that sounds exciting because I think being disciplined is cool. But I think I'm not really that disciplined. What I've done is create habits that ensure that what I'm doing is taking me in a direction. And this one tip really is what makes it happen. I put it on the calendar. Now, this time productivity hack is called time blocking. Time blocking. So even when my kids are home or even when we've got million camps going on and I'm running around picking everybody up, I put everything in my calendar. I put lead follow-up in my calendar. I put creating YouTube videos in my calendar. I put going live in my calendar. I put date nights in my calendar. So what I do at the beginning of the month is I will lay out my goals, right? What is my goal? What am I looking to get done? Not everything is going to be completed in that month. Maybe it's a 3-month goal, but I'll know what my goals and plans are. And then I'll be able to reverse engineer it. So if my goal for the month is to, run 6 miles a couple days a week or lose 5 pounds, and I can put those things in my calendar. If my goal for the month is to sign up X number of distributors or follow up with this many people or grow this much in my volume, then I'll be able to put that in my calendar and reverse engineer it to see what do I need each week in order to hit my monthly goal. And then each Sunday, what I'll do is take a look at my week and just make sure that the things that are important to me are on my calendar. And this is amongst everyday life. This is really like I pick my kids up from school every day at 3. We've got soccer, we've got swim class, we've got all this other stuff going on, which means that my personal business and my personal health and my personal goals need to be on the calendar just as strongly. Time blocking, you guys, is not multitasking. You're not doing 3 things at once because guess what? Nothing ever gets done. You are blocking off and carving out a half an hour to an hour to 3 hours when you can dive deep into one thing. Do it well, get it done without distraction, and then move on to the next one. I don't think I'm all that disciplined, but what I think I do is I put things on the calendar and then I do them. Yeah. So when your kids are home from the summer, if you are feeling overwhelmed, then a couple things may be happening. Number 1, we're not putting it on the calendar. Or number 2, maybe we're expecting too much out of ourselves. Maybe it's not reasonable to do 10 things in one day. Maybe it's reasonable to do 3. Right? So you can evaluate each and every week how you're doing, if you're sticking with it, if you're not sticking with it, and if things need to be adjusted. But I know that when you use this time blocking technique, you are going to feel so much better about all aspects of your life because it all has a time slot. So I want to hear from you. What is your favorite time management productivity technique, especially in the summer when schedules are a bit crazier? And then I'd also love to know, why are you listening to this channel? I want to know, are you interested in life hacks, productivity, dream life stuff? Or are you interested in really more business-oriented content where I talk about growing a business, scaling a business, entrepreneurship? Or maybe you're interested in relationships or health. Why are you listening? I want to know because that will help me to create content that is most valuable to you. I hope that this was helpful. And if you want more of this type of information, check out my podcast called Dreamcast, and then absolutely download, if you haven't yet, the Dream Life Action Planner, because it's going to help you walk through this time blocking technique for yourself so you can ensure that you're being productive this summer too. Have an awesome day.